What's going on in the Gator Pit today on Thursday, the 19th of March? We've got some big ass insulated fireboxes right here. We've got a big ass vertical smoker box right there. Look how thick this is, man. 2600 degree insulation between those walls. Great heat retention. And look at this big ass vertical box. Huge dual stacks coming out of big old box. We got a party gator that is getting shipped to Morgan City, Louisiana next week. Beautiful pit, gorgeous pit. We got a happy customer over there. It's his second gator pit he's ordered from us in 6 months. And here we go. Gator Pit makes their own trailers right there, man. Look at that. 1/4 inch thick 2x2 square tubing. Framing it out right now. It'll be together tomorrow. And we got shipping going on. Got a Texas Premier 2 2436. Wrapping up and heading to the San Antonio area, I do believe. It's got our new door counterweights. Those counterweights, man, badass. Beautiful counterweights, dual birdhouse stacks, stainless steel drop down table, telephone hopper on the side. Beautiful pit. And this is what's going on in that trailer that you saw me on my guy's building. There it is. This is a big grill, huge grill. It's actually partitioned in the middle with a 1/4 inch divider. 2 doors on one grill, 2 doors on the other. Pretty badass looking there. And oh man, we got the popular meat slinger. Actually, this is it's based off the meat slinger, but it does not have the towing ability. This is an offset smoker right there. Excuse me. In fact, they're picking this up tomorrow. Yep. St. Andrew Episcopal Church is getting their cooker tomorrow. I believe they said they're going to be here at 7 a.m. And pick it up and putting it in their kitchen at the building for the church to have outside events. I was there at the church, and it's a beautiful outdoor kitchen area that they built in pavilion. And this is going to look really good sitting in there. And what else we got? Look how beefy these crates are that we make. That's solid right there. It's going to get walled off with that 3/8 thick plywood. Metal banded. Everything's marked off, hopefully prevent any damage from occurring. And we got this big 30 inch diameter, 3/8 thick piece of pipe right here. We're going to strip it down clean. It's got some surface rust on it from sitting outside in my parking lot. And that's what all those big fireboxes and everything else is going on right there. So that's what's happening in the Gator Pit right now today. I'm Rich. Hit that like and subscribe button. Contact me. We're out there. There's my information. If you want to order a pit from me, you can go online at gatorpit.net and order one online. We do have a shopping cart where you can just pick one out and order it right there and pay for it and get your order in. Got any questions? Call me. I'll be happy to answer any questions you got. See ya.